All right, and here's Tani to talk about his new custom build Giant. What you got there, Tani?
Hey Jeff. So we love doing custom builds at the Path, and we built this one up as a showpiece to kind of show and get people's imagination going. So this is a Trance 29 advanced frame. This is the same frame I'm riding. Built it up with the Giant carbon wheels because they weigh about 1,550 grams with 29 mil internal, and they use DT hub internals with star ratchets. It's got the AXS reverb on it, so wireless reverb, 170. AXS shifting, so wireless SRAM shifting. It's kind of cool how the oil slick chain and cassette kind of play with the chameleon colored frame. We did the sapphire fork, but unlike the stock bike, this one has black lowers. The stock bike has blue lowers. Guide ultimate brakes, OneUp handlebars, race face turbine R stem. This bike came in at just a skosh over 26 pounds with a dropper post, a 170 dropper post, a real fork, 2 4 tires front and rear, real brakes, 4 piston brakes. Pretty impressive.
Awesome, man. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.